Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is how my super curly hair looks 3 days after using my new favorite hair straightener by BeKind. So here is what my natural hair looks like. I have this set to medium high heat, so it is at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And let me show you how quick and easy it is to straighten all of my hair. It just takes 2 to 3 passes with my really curly hair, and I mean, it looks great. The heating of the straightener is very stable so you don't get spikes of heat, and it also has floating plates so it doesn't catch your hair. And you can use it as a curler. Okay, there you go. I am finished. It probably took about 15 to 20 minutes to do everything and just do touch-ups at the end, but I love the way it looks. I like that it's not too damaging because I can control the temperature. So if you have really curly hair, then you can do it on the lowest temperature.
The BeKind Apex straightener also has this locking mechanism, so you just twist it to unlock it and open it up. And when you turn it on, it will remember the temperature that you had it on last. So if you always use the same temperature, this is great. You never have to be changing the temperature on it. But if you want to, you just hold the power button to change the temperature. I love that it also has an auto shut off function. So if it's not used for 30 minutes, it'll go off by itself. And when you're done, you just lock it up and you are ready to store it. It comes with so many cool extras like temporary tattoos, clips, bobby pins, rubber bands, a couple of nice scrunchies, and of course this heat resistant glove that's great so you don't burn yourself, and a nice travel bag. It also has a beautiful gift box that comes in, so it would make a great present for someone.
So I love this hair straightener. I love the results that I've gotten, and I am definitely going to be straightening my hair more now because it doesn't take as long. I think you're going to love this BeKind straightener too, but that's just my point of view.